Video. Today we have a killer crazy deal, a Grizzly Industrial Pro Master kit, total of whole new set of tools for $97.99. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Master of Mayhem. Big shout out to Joe the Tool Guy. They had this up first, so that's who I got this from. But yeah, guys, this is unbelievable. I'll leave the link down below in the description. If you guys order from opticsplanet.com, let me know down in the comment section your experiences with this. I'm thinking of ordering this. Should I or should I not? It's a really good value. It seems like you're getting. Let me see if you're getting a drill, impact driver, impact wrench. It looks like an inflator, a radial, a jigsaw, circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool. What is this? Angle grinder, a dual port charger, 3 batteries, and it seems to be like a USB power charger there. But yeah, some of these are brush tools. Just keep that in mind. I believe some these 3 are brushless. If you guys know anything about Grizzly brand, let me know down in the comment section if you guys are familiar with these tools. So I'll leave the link down below. Big shout out to those 2 YouTubers that had this up first. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.